Hey everybody, this is Ryan. I'm going to give you an overview of not one but two of these garage racks. Now this is by the company called Turack, T-U-R-A-C-K, and in this video you're pretty much going to get, if not every single question you might have about this particular rack. So first and foremost, this thing is quite the sturdy. Let me just keep it real. Now if you've ever been into like a shop or anywhere like where they have things hanging on the wall, that's pretty much what this is for. And so the way I'm using this is I do a lot of lawn and garden tools and all kinds of stuff that I have in my garage, just trying to make best use of the space. And so in this video, I'm sharing how I'm mounting this, and I'm gonna be putting my, it is a gas-powered edger, for example. And so this dimension right here, I'm gonna give you a couple different things that you might want to know before you pick this thing up. So the width right here, which is important, because if you're gonna put, you know, like a bike tire, or you're gonna put, like in my example, you're gonna put a weed eater or edger or whatever it is, the dimension from here to here is right at 2.5 inches all the way down. That's important because if you have something and you want to like lock it in, you want it to be able to hang on the wall. The total length of this is right at 12 inches, and you got a little lip right here. So it's about 11 inches here, 12 inches all the way up to there. So when you're kind of thinking about your wall space, that kind of gives you an idea. And the plate, if you really care, is 4 inches by 3.25, just from a mounting space. It does come with 2 sets of screws, so there's 2 of these in this particular box. There might be multiple options, I'm not really sure. But you have some screws and you have some anchors. Now, depending on the sheetrock or the stone, brick, wood, whatever you're putting it in, you know, my 2 cents is if you're gonna put this in sheetrock, you might want to make sure you hit a stud, especially if you're going to put any kind of weight on this thing. All right, so you have all that stuff, and you can mount it in brick or whatever it is, you know, so you have that with this. Now, is this thing strong? Oh, yes it is. This is about as strong as you would ever need. I mean, you could probably jump on this as long as it doesn't rip off the wall. This is very, very, very heavy gauge. It's got some weight to it. It might be maybe five pounds. But solid steel or whatever this is made out of, I mean, it's going to hold some stuff up. Now, when this is, you're looking to install this, you know, it has a black finish. It has this like thick, not like abrasive, but it's kind of like a rough, rubbery type coating that's definitely not going to go anywhere. I mean, it's like mended on there somehow. So it's not something that's going to slip off and all that fun stuff. You know, so if you're looking for something to hang in your wall, something that is super, super sturdy. So if you got some weight you want to put on this, again, if you're mounting this into brick or something that's going to not rip out of the wall, or if you're drilling into studs, you can't really go wrong with this. I mean, this thing is pretty stout, but the biggest thing I wanted to confirm is the dimensions here, and the dimensions here. Now, full disclosure, this company did provide this to me, but in no way whatsoever is it going to positively nor negatively affect this review. Hopefully that helps, and we'll talk to you soon.